Phenomena are really key in NGSS. What we really are after with NGSS is helping kids connect what they're learning about the science to what goes on in the world, not just learning in the abstract. And by phenomena, we mean what is it that's happening in the world that we need our science to explain? Or what is the problem in the world and what aspects of the problem in the world are we trying to engineer or change around to solve some problem? So rather than just learning about science or learning to do some engineering, we're trying to figure out how to connect that to something important in the world. And we call the thing that's happening that we want to understand or change the phenomena. Well, phenomena are very common in science classrooms because we always like to take ideas and see how they play out in the real world. But I think one of the biggest shifts in NGSS is really using phenomena in a different way, using phenomena as the starting point, using phenomena to raise questions so that we build the science knowledge or work on engineering problems in the context of trying to understand or solve a problem. So rather than teaching the idea first and then giving the phenomena as an exemplar, we often start with the phenomena because that is the thing that we need to explain. That is the thing that motivates the knowledge that we need to figure out. And that is the thing in the world that directs the knowledge building that we need to do. So rather than learn the science and apply it to the phenomena, we often want to start with the phenomena that we're trying to understand and build the science knowledge in order to make progress in modeling or explaining that phenomena. Maybe continuing to return to the phenomena as we make more and more progress and build more sophisticated versions of that understanding. So they're not something we bring in after the fact. They're something that we thread through and become the context in which we're applying the science knowledge as we're building it. NGSS is to make learning more meaningful for kids by engaging them not just in sort of the bare facts, but what are the big ideas behind those facts, and not just in sort of learning about facts or ideas that other people have figured out, but by engaging in the process of figuring them out themselves. And with help, of course, from teachers. But that process of figuring out makes what we're building in the science classroom much more meaningful for kids.